In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention people in Notion. Mentioning teammates in Notion is a quick way to bring the right person's attention to a page, a line of text, or a specific comment. It keeps conversations connected to the work itself, so nothing gets lost in chat threads or long email chains. Here's how to do it smoothly and confidently. First, open the Notion page where you want to mention someone. This can be any page, including a database entry, a project doc, or meeting notes. As long as you can type in it, you can create a mention. Next, click inside the content area or the comment section. If you're giving general updates or documenting decisions, writing in the main body of the page is ideal. If you want to target feedback on a particular paragraph, task, or block, use a comment so your note stays attached to that exact spot. Now type the @ sign, the @ symbol, followed by the person's name. As you start typing, Notion will show a drop-down with matching people from your workspace. You don't have to type the full name. Just a few letters usually brings up the right suggestion. From that list, select the correct person. You can click with your mouse or use the arrow keys and press enter. Once selected, the mention will appear as a highlighted link or chip. That's your confirmation that Notion recognizes who you meant and will handle the notification. Continue typing your message or note after the mention. Be specific about what you need: a quick review, a decision, or a status update. Clear context helps the person act faster when they open the page. If you need more than one person's attention, you can repeat the same action for each teammate you want to include. When you're done, click outside the text area to save the mention automatically. Notion autosaves as you type, and clicking away just finalizes the edit so the system can send out the alert. There's no separate save button to worry about. Now, wait for Notion to notify the mentioned person about the update. The notification typically arrives quickly and can appear in their Notion inbox, and may also be sent by email or mobile push, depending on their preferences. Your mention will link them straight back to the exact spot you edited, so they can jump in without hunting around. That's it. Open your page, click where you want to write, type it and a name, choose the right person, finish your note, click away, and let Notion deliver the ping. Happy collaborating.